Make a decision. John had to make a decision about her future career. Break a record. John trained hard and broke a record in the 100-meter race. Do homework. Tom needs to do his homework before playing games. Get dressed. He quickly got dressed for his meeting. Make an effort. To succeed, you need to make an effort every day. Catch fire. The old house caught fire during the storm. Hold a meeting. The manager decided to hold a meeting to discuss the project. Make an excuse. He tried to make an excuse for being late. Lose weight. He followed a diet plan to lose weight. Gain weight. He started eating more to gain weight. Keep a secret. Jane promised to keep a secret about the surprise party. Get lost. We got lost while hiking in the forest. Give advice. The teacher gave advice to the students about studying hard. Have a good time. We had a good time at the concert. Do business. They decided to do business together. Have an argument. They had an argument about the project. Take part. Many people took part in the marathon. Catch a bus. He hurried to catch the bus before it left. Make a complaint. The customer made a complaint about the service. Take a chance. She decided to take a chance and apply for the job. Go crazy. Everyone went crazy when they heard the news. Give a hand. Can you give me a hand with these boxes? Do a favor. He asked his friend to do him a favor. Make a call. He made a call to his mom to check on her. Get started. Let's get started on the project. Sarah was planning a big event for her community. She had to make a decision about the location, as many people were expected to attend. Sitting at her desk, she looked at a map surrounded by papers and plans, feeling both excited and a bit anxious about the challenges ahead. On the day of the event, something unexpected happened. The nearby park caught fire. It was a small fire, but it surprised the crowd. Quickly, Sarah made an excuse to the guests, explaining that there would be a last-minute change in the location. Sarah held a meeting with her team, asking them to make an effort to reorganize everything at the new location. She gave clear instructions, guiding them on the first steps needed to ensure a smooth transition. One of her friends, Mike, who had recently lost weight, offered to lend a hand by carrying the heavy equipment. Sarah thanked him, and Mike was glad to help, which made setting up the new location much faster. As the preparations neared completion, everyone got dressed in their event attire. Sarah even took a chance and set up a small stage for a surprise performance for the guests. Everyone seemed excited, and the new location looked fantastic. The guests began arriving, and some came at the last minute. One guest barely managed to catch a bus to make it on time, smiling with excitement as he headed toward the celebration. During the event, one guest made a complaint about the music being too loud, but Sarah handled it with grace, smiling as she explained that the goal was to create a fun atmosphere for everyone. At the end of the night, Sarah and her team made a call to each other to share memories and talk about the day's events. They laughed, shared jokes, and agreed that the event was a memorable success.